Hello travelers! Welcome to my love letter to Rome. Today, we're embarking on a virtual journey to the Eternal City, a place that holds a special place in my heart and stomach. Get ready to explore iconic landmarks like the Colosseum and the Trevi Fountain, but also to discover hidden trattorias tucked away in charming cobblestone streets. I'm sharing all my insider tips, from the best gelato to the most authentic carbonara, so you can experience Rome like a true local. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply seeking adventure, this video is your ultimate guide to unlocking the magic of Rome. So, grab a cappuccino, get comfortable, and let's get started. First stop, we're stepping back in time to ancient Rome. Picture this, gladiators battling in the Colosseum, the roar of the crowd echoing through the centuries. You can practically feel the energy, no? Next, we'll wander through the ruins of the Roman Forum, imagining the hustle and bustle of daily life in ancient times. And of course, no trip to Rome is complete without tossing a coin in the Trevi Fountain. Legend has it, it guarantees your return to this magical city. Trust me, you'll want to come back. But Rome isn't just about the past. It's also a vibrant modern city. From the Spanish Steps, a meeting place for locals and tourists alike, to the charming neighborhood of Trastevere, with its ivy-covered walls and lively piazzas, Rome is a feast for the senses. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite subject, food. In Rome, every meal is a celebration. We'll start our day the Roman way, with a strong espresso and a sweet cornetto. For lunch, we'll savor a plate of perfectly cooked pasta, cacio e pepe, carbonara, amatriciana, each bite bursting with flavor. And for dinner, I'm thinking a traditional Roman trattoria, with rustic charm and dishes made with love, passed down through generations. Of course, no Roman food tour would be complete without indulging in some gelato. From creamy pistachio to refreshing lemon, there's a flavor for everyone. Rome is a city that breathes art and culture. We'll lose ourselves in the masterpieces of the Vatican Museums, marveling at Michelangelo's breathtaking frescoes in the Sistine Chapel. Next, we'll wander through the enchanting gardens of the Villa Borghese, admiring sculptures by Bernini and paintings by Caravaggio. And for a touch of contemporary art, we'll explore the Maxi, Rome's museum of 21st century art and architecture. But the real magic of Rome lies in its hidden corners. We'll stumble upon ancient churches adorned with glittering mosaics, discover secret gardens tucked away behind weathered walls, and soak in the lively atmosphere of local markets, brimming with fresh produce and local delicacies. Finding the perfect place to stay is key to any memorable vacation. For a luxurious experience, imagine waking up in a grand hotel overlooking the Spanish Steps, with impeccable service and breathtaking views. Or perhaps you prefer the charm of a boutique hotel, tucked away in a quiet piazza in Trastevere, where you can soak in the neighborhood's authentic atmosphere. And for those seeking a more local experience, there are plenty of apartments and B&Bs scattered throughout the city, offering a cozy and intimate stay. No matter your budget or travel style, Rome has the perfect accommodation to make your trip unforgettable. Now, before you pack your bags, let's cover some essential travel tips. When packing for Rome, comfort is key. Be sure to pack comfortable walking shoes as you'll be doing a lot of exploring on foot. Rome is a city best explored at a leisurely pace, so don't feel pressured to cram everything into one trip. Instead, choose a few must-see sites each day and leave plenty of time for wandering, discovering hidden gems, and soaking in the atmosphere. And finally, embrace the Italian way of life. Take your time, savor the food, and don't be afraid to practice your Italian. A simple buongiorno or grazie goes a long way in connecting with the locals. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to pack your bags and experience the magic of Rome for yourself. From its ancient wonders to its culinary delights, Rome is a city that will capture your heart and leave you longing to return. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. And be sure to share your own Roman experiences in the comments below. I can't wait to hear about your favorite discoveries. Stay tuned for more travel guides where we'll explore other fascinating destinations around the world. Until then, ciao for now. Enjoy your Roman holiday.